Good morning everyone, myself Aryan Ghoshal and you are watching now your channel Density of Physics में आपका स्वागत है और today we will discuss about the topic of biology of class 9 which is fundamental units of life. Fundamental units of life. What is the meaning of fundamental unit? Whenever you will talk about the fundamental unit, fundamental it means basic. So fundamental, suppose that anyone asks you that what is the structure of the home? What is the fundamental units of home? Then you will say that the basic unit or the fundamental unit of the home is the brick. बिकॉज टोटली जो रूम बना हुआ है, घर बना हुआ है, ब्रिक से बना हुआ है. तो ब्रिक इज द फंडामेंटल यूनिट. वी कैन से दैट ब्रिक इज द फंडामेंटल यूनिट. सो इन नॉन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स वी कैन से दैट एटम्स, मॉलिक्यूल्स एंड the atoms, molecules, or we can say also subatomic particles which is proton, electron, proton and neutrons are the fundamental units. But in case of living organisms it is not suitable. So in case of living organism, what is the fundamental unit of life we will discuss in this chapter. Clear? Now from the 1665 Robert Hooke was a great scientist who was examining the cork of the tree and he saw that the structure of the cork of the tree is just like a honeycomb. जब रॉबर्ट हुक ने 1665 में मतलब एक ट्री के कॉर्क को लिया, एक छिलके को लिया, बार्क ऑफ द ट्री जिसको बोलते हैं, तो बार्क ऑफ द ट्री को लिया तो उन्होंने देखा कि उसका जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो कंप्लीटली एक हनीकॉम्ब के जैसा है. उन्होंने अपने ही बनाए हुए माइक्रोस्कोप की सहायता से इसको देखा था. And saw that totally it look like a honeycomb. It means that structure ऐसा लग रहा था कि जैसे मकड़ी का जाल है. स्ट्रिप्स इतने मतलब गहरे और इतने छोटे-छोटे कंपार्टमेंट थे. There are lots of compartments in that structure and all the compartments are very little, very small. So the Robert Hooke named this little compartment which is cell. He was named all the little compartment, all in single or each little compartment is called cell. What is the meaning of cell? Cell is the Latin word and it is stand for a little room. It means cell means a little room. We can say a little compartment, and it is the basic and fundamental unit of life. Cell is a basic unit of life. It comes from Latin word and it is all the living organisms are made of cells. जो भी living organism हम देखते हैं वो सारा किससे बना होता है? सेल से मिलकर बना होता है. So cell is the fundamental and functional unit also. We discussed about that what are living organisms made of. लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म किससे मिलकर बना होता है, किससे होकर बना होता है. So to know this living organism, what are the things to made of the living organisms, we have to know a experiment. Robert Hooke was take a onion and he takes the onion peel, he strips a thin layer of the onion and without folding of it very carefully it put it on the microscope. इसको क्या किया गया, एक ऑनियन, एक प्याज के छिलके को लिया गया, एक पतले से छिलके को लिया गया और ऐसा लिया गया कि जिससे वो मुड़े ना, किसी भी तरह से उसकी फोल्ड ना हो जाए, और उसको ले जाके माइक्रोस्कोप पे रखा गया और माइक्रोस्कोप की सहायता से जब उसको देखा गया then he found that there is also similar kind of structure which he saw in the honeycomb, in the cork of the tree or bark of the tree. Same structure from that onion peel which he saw in a cork of the tree, like the same stems but little different. And it doesn't matter that the size of the onion. It doesn't matter that कितना बड़ा onion है या छोटा है. In every size of onion is shown as the same structure. In this structure, this part is called nucleus, and this part is called this structure. This structure is called cell membrane. And this part is called cytoplasm. This part is called cytoplasm. So these are the structures from which the made of a cell. We can say that the structure of cell, we have to know that the structure of the cell. So whenever we will talk about that structure of the cell, then you can say a cell is made of three things. Which are, first is cell membrane, second one is nucleus, and third one is cytoplasm. Third one is cytoplasm. These are the three things which are in the structure of a cell. This part, this point, yellow point, is called nucleus, which is the middle, which is stay in middle of the cell, and this whole compartment, a single whole compartment, is called cell, and this layer which is protect the cell, which is protect from the outer surface, is called cell membrane, and the liquid in between the cell is called cytoplasm. A fluid is fluid will be which is called cytoplasm. These are the three things which are involved in the structure of a cell. Now we will discuss about that organism. We will discuss about that the structure of the organism. Then basic structure of the organism is cell. After that tissue, and after that organ, and then organ system, and after that body of animal. These are the structure of a human body or any living organisms. At first cell, tissue, organ system, and now after that it's completed body. So this is the structure of any living organism. Now we will talk about that living types of living organism. Living organisms can be unicellular and can be multicellular. It can be unicellular, एक सेल के भी हो सकते हैं, सिंगल सेल से भी बने हो सकते हैं, एंड मल्टीसेल्युलर हो सकते हैं, बहुत सारे सेल से भी बने हो सकते हैं. In unicellular, you can say that the examples of paramecium, amoeba, these are the examples of unicellular. And whenever you will talk about multicellular, then you can say that the human body, animals, fungus, mushrooms like fungus, mushrooms, bread mold, these are the multicellular. And animals, trees, trees, and also that human being are the multicellular organisms. in multicellular organisms, you can see there are lots of different cells which are doing different work. आप देख सकते हो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स में क्या होते हैं कि दूसरे दूसरे सेल्स दूसरे दूसरे फंक्शन करते हैं। जैसे कि हमारे हाथ की एक्टिविटी कुछ और होती है, हमारा ब्लड का एक्टिविटी कुछ होता है, और बोन्स का एक्टिविटी कुछ होता है, मसल्स का एक्टिविटी कुछ और होता है। दे have different types of body. Now we will discuss about some different cells of human body. Different cell of human body. ह्यूमन बॉडी के कुछ डिफरेंट सेल्स के बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे। तो ह्यूमन बॉडी, यू कैन सी दैट इन ह्यूमन बॉडी a cells is called muscle cells. Muscle cells. Second one is blood cell. Third one is that first one is muscle cell, second one is blood cell. You can see that bone cell. This is the bone cell. And after that you can see that ovum. And you can see also that the fat cell, which are like fat cell. Okay. After that you can see that sperm. And you can show also that nerve cell, which is the longest cell in human body, which is called nerve cell. It's called nerve cell. These are the different kinds of cells in human body which are doing different works. जो क्या करते हैं, अलग अलग वर्क करते हैं। नर्व सेल्स अलग कुछ वर्क करते हैं, फैट सेल्स का कुछ और काम होता है, स्पर्म का कुछ और काम होता है, and also that muscle cells have their different kinds of work, and blood cells also different kinds of work, and bone cell also different kinds of work, ovum has different kinds of work. So these are the different kinds of cells in human body. Now thank you to all of you to watching this video. Now I'm going to ending of the today's class. For the next video, for the next session, you have to follow, you have to subscribe my channel.